And it's called nocciolata. And it means like a shortbread type of cookie that is done with lots of nuts. And I'm using 4 different kinds of nuts today. We have almonds and pecans and hazelnuts and walnuts. And what you want to do is toast these nuts in the oven whole, and then get out a good knife and just chop them up coarsely. Chop them up coarsely. So now we have 5½ cups of flour in a bowl, sifted and measured just the way I showed you. 2½ cups of sugar goes in. You mix that all around. And this you have to do with your hands because this is a pretty heavy mixture. You have 1/4 pound of each type of nuts that I just showed you. They're all chopped up and they go in. Mix that all around. This is a great cookie to have tea or coffee. It's a wonderful, hearty, heavy cookie. And like I say, it reminds me of shortbread. And then a pound of butter. Yes, you heard right. A pound of butter goes in, but you know, you're only eating 1 of these, I think. So now we mix this all up really well. No more fooling around. Get your hands in there and really get this mixed well. Okay, that looks good. Want it to be very, very moist, not too dry. If it's too dry, maybe you didn't measure the flour correctly, you could add a little bit more butter. Then, get a baking sheet like this and put that mixture on. Make sure it's all well mixed. Just pour it on there. And then you're just going to pat this down so it's all even. Make sure it fills in all of the spaces. And if you want to get really perfect squares out of this, because this is going to be cut into squares, you can line the sheet first with buttered aluminum foil. Then you can just lift the whole piece of aluminum foil out. There, looks great, doesn't it? And it's ready to go into a 350-degree oven. It's going to stay there until the top is nicely browned. What an easy day in the kitchen.